I love using spaghetti squash as the base to bowl meals or as a side dish. It's so versatile and can be topped with any variety of proteins and vegetables. The best part about spaghetti squash is how easy and fun it is to prepare. Choose squash that are firm and buttery colored. You can find them in the produce section of your grocery store. Store them in a cool, dry place, but not too long, especially in hot weather, no more than a week or two. After that, the seeds can start to sprout and the squash will take on a bitter flavor. Here's how I make my spaghetti squash. First, I'm going to poke holes in the outside of the squash with a fork. This will allow some of the steam inside to escape because I really don't want my squash to explode in my microwave. Now I'm going to microwave the whole squash for 3 to 5 minutes. After this initial cooking, the squash should cut pretty easily in half. Believe me, that's a lot easier than if you don't cook it first. Once you've cut it in half, scoop out the seeds and the inner membrane. Place the squash cut side down in a microwave-safe dish. Add about an inch of water to the dish. Cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap. Cook for 7 minutes or until the squash is tender. Once the squash is cooked, it's going to be really hot, so be careful and pay attention that you don't get a steam burn. You can either wait until the squash is much cooler to handle, or you can use a hot pad to hold it in one hand while you scrape the squash into a bowl. You can tell that the squash just peels away almost like strands of spaghetti. Thus, it's called spaghetti squash. The squash is ready to serve right now, but prepared spaghetti squash is good in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. I like to eat it within the first 2 days because it has the best texture.